So over here, you can see that I have a Figjam file and there are 3 objects right here. If I were to go around right here and select a shape, bring it here, you can individually bring a shape. But if you were to go around over here and click on the plus button, you can see that I have a shape and there is a connector associated with this. So what you can also do is you can go around into the connector right here. And now once you click on the connector, what happens is that you can choose one of the 4 corners, click and drag and link this out to another object of your choice to make them seem related. And they are connected with the object. So if you were to move the object, you can see that the connector is dynamic. Similarly, you can go around over here, choose line connectors over here as well, so that they actually seem like a line connecting each other, as you can see. So you can go around over here, connect these things together right here, and everything is dynamic, as you can see. So you can go around over here onto the connector option, and here you can see that you got handles that you can click and drag to display the connector as per how you like it, as you can see right here. So similarly, you can go around, change out how the connector looks. You can go around over here, change the color of the connector as well. And you can go around, change the style of the connector over here as well. You can make it large right here. You can make it small over here, as you can see. You can make it like a continuous flow, or you can make it dotted, as you can see right here. You can go around and add in a text over here as well onto the connector if you want to, and then you can format out the text however you like. So over here, you can see that there's the start point for the connector. You can see that this is what you have right here. You can set the start point and you can set the end point over here as well. So you can see that you can choose around how the connector actually looks like as well. So that is how you can use out connectors inside of a Figjam file in Figma. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.